Make money online in 2020. This is going to be a very important video for all of you. If you are really interested in making money online in 2020 using YouTube, then you must check this video until the end, because everything will be told to you in this video: how to do it, what to do and what not to do, and how you will get a ton of traffic in 2020 if you make a YouTube channel, new YouTube channel now, and what opportunity is there. That is what I'm gonna reveal in this video, so stick in this video until the end. Before we jump into the content, let me show you, this is my YouTube channel Moneymaker001. If you are interested in make money online, affiliate marketing in an online business, then this is the best channel for you, which you can press the subscribe button and a bell icon will appear, and you just have to press that also, so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to tell you a very important trick. If you are really interested in making money through YouTube, then this is going to be something very important. What is going to happen is that to understand this thing, firstly we have to get to the keywords. Okay, there are many of the keywords. So currently the year 2019 is going on. Okay, in the year 2019 most of the keywords which were searched were 2019. Okay, for example, anything can be how to make money in 2019, how to do this in 2019, how to lose weight in 2019. So all these keywords were searched and had a very big amount of traffic in the year 2019. But now we are very close to 2020, and what are the keywords which will be targeted and which will have a huge amount of search traffic in 2020 are how to in 2020. No matter what niche you are in, if you are going to create a new YouTube channel in whatever niche, what you have to do is you have to target all the keywords and place this 2020 in its title, in its description and in its tags, so that you get all the traffic which will be searched in January. As January comes, there will be a big amount of traffic, and this type of keywords will be searched. For example, how to make money online in 2020, how to lose weight in 2020, how to do this stuff in 2020, how to download videos in 2020, how to use YouTube in 2020. All these keywords of different categories, different niches will be searched, and the thing which people will place in the year 2020 would be 2020. So if you are going to start a new video YouTube channel, or if you are currently having a YouTube channel and not getting much traffic, then this is one method which I'm gonna reveal to you, is that you have to place this keyword in, no matter what your content is, whatever niche you are in, you have to just place this keyword 2020 in your title, tags and description, so that as January arrives, most of the people will start searching these keywords, and these keywords will get a very huge amount of traffic in 2020, so that there is a very great chance of your channel booming up and blowing up. So this is going to be a very good advantage, because you are having almost 1.5 months left until 2020. So almost, if you prepare one video every single day, you can just upload 45 videos to your new YouTube channel. And what will happen is that you have targeted these keywords, and when these keywords will get searched in 2020, your videos will start appearing over there and you will start making money out of them. So this is a very important video, because this is something which is known as noting a trend. Okay, so whatever trend is coming up, you just have to get that trend into your mind and just forecast how it is going to be. So this trend is going to be a very good every year. This type of trend comes every year, and this opportunity arises. So this time I am sharing this opportunity with you. No one else or no other YouTuber is going to tell you that what you should target in this if you are creating content now. Okay, so if you are going to start a YouTube channel, just keep in mind that place this keyword 2020 in your title tags and description of whatever niche related videos or content you are creating. Then definitely you will get a big amount of traffic in 2020, because most of the videos which are going to be searched in 2020 in January, you will start receiving very good amount of traffic. This is a very fast and very simple method of SEO used by many of the YouTubers, but they don't tell you, because this is very secret method used by many of the YouTubers. So I have told you the trick, I have given you the formula. You can also check out other videos on my channel where I teach how to make money online using affiliate marketing, using YouTube and online business. So if you are interested in this type of content, then this is the best channel for you, which you should subscribe. And if you like my content, just press the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.